TikTok hashtags. It is very important that you use the right hashtags with your TikTok posts. You can add them to a video post, in an independent post, or on the section for comments. If you want to categorize some of your content on TikTok, then you need to use the right hashtags. You can also use hashtags when you want your audience to know that the video post you are publishing is related to some of your previous posts. If you want to highlight a trending event, then you need to use hashtags. Reasons to use TikTok hashtags. There are a number of important reasons why you should use TikTok hashtags. Here are the 2 most important reasons. Get more likes and exposure. The main reason to use hashtags is to make it easy for TikTok users to understand what your videos are about so that they will be persuaded to watch them. By persuading your audience to watch a video with the right hashtags, you will certainly get more views. Hashtags are good at highlighting trending topics that users do not want to miss. It will increase the number of likes that you get too. The more engagement that you can get through the right hashtags, the better, and this will help you to drive more sales. Increase your following. Some of the users on TikTok will be looking for specific types of content. They will look at hashtags as the best way to determine the type of content. You must use relevant hashtags, and TikTok users will be more likely to follow you if your hashtags accurately describe your content. There are other users trying to dupe people with their hashtags. How can you find the best hashtags for TikTok? You need to know how to find the best hashtags for your content on TikTok. There are some proven methods that you can use to find them. Know your audience. A lot of your audience on TikTok will only follow certain hashtags on the platform. If you just use random hashtags and do not categorize your post properly, then users will ignore your hashtags and posts. You will not establish yourself in your niche unless you research your audience properly to find out what they really like. Once you know what your audience wants, it will be easy for you to create your own unique hashtags that will really appeal to them. You can start to create customized hashtags once you have established your brand with your audience. Look at what TikTok influencers are doing. You need to find out who the best influencers are on TikTok and take a look at how they have become so successful. It is important that you learn from these influencers because they know what they are doing and how to get the best out of the platform. Look at the trends that influencers write on and the hashtags that they use. Take a look at the posts that the influencers make and note the hashtags they use for the most successful posts. Also look at some of their posts that didn't work so well so you can avoid making the same mistakes. Check out your competitors. Spend some time researching your competitors on TikTok. Most of them are going to use the same hashtags on their posts, and then you can follow these to see what your audience wants from the niche you are in. This is a very important task when you are just starting out with TikTok and you are trying to establish yourself. Never copy what your competitors are doing. Look at their successes to generate ideas for the hashtags that you can use. Use tools to find good TikTok hashtags. There are good tools that you can use to find hashtags. Using these tools will show you popular hashtags for specific niches. Here are a couple of good tools that you can use. Seek Metrics. You can use this tool to find good hashtags for your TikTok posts. There's also an option to use comparative metrics so that you can measure your performance on the platform. It is easy to use Seek Metrics and the interface is intuitive. There is a search feature where you can type in a hashtag keyword and Seek Metrics will provide some suggestions for you. You can copy these suggestions to later add them to your TikTok posts. All Hashtag. All Hashtag is another good hashtag generator. To use the tool, then just type in a keyword and All Hashtag will do the rest. It will recommend good hashtags for your niche, and then you can copy them for future reference. The best 100 hashtags to use for more likes. Here are the best hashtags that we recommend you use to get more likes for your TikTok posts. 1. TikTok. 2. Funny. 3. Love. 4. Follow me. 5. Memes. 6. Cute. 7. Music. 8. Fun. 9. Fashion. 10. Happy. 11. Musically. 12. Follow. 13. Follow for follow back. 14. Comedy. 15. LOL. 16. Meme. 17. Like for like. 18. Muser. 19. Video. 20. Girl. 21. Funny videos. 22. Dank memes. 23. Dance. 24. Like for follow. 25. TBT. 26. TikTokindo. 27. me. 28, repost for follow. 29, summer. 30, pick of the day. 31, friends. 32, life. 33, beauty. 34, repost. 35, selfie. 36, smile. 37, amazing. 38, family. 39, beach. 40, OOTD. 41, beautiful. 42, fitness. 43, sky. 44, pretty. 45, duet. 46, sunset. 47, dog. 48, hair. 49, swag. 50, VSCO. 51, cat. 52, makeup. 53, holiday. 54, inspiration. 55, iPhone only. 56, C. 57, fashion. 58, art. 59, tags for likes. 60, sun. 61, no filter. 62, travel. 63, follow for follow. 64, photo. 65, photography. 66, VSCO cam. 67, model. 68, fall in love. 69, Insta-like. 70, nature. 71, NYC. 72, photo of the day. 73, home. 74, drawing. 75, healthy. 76, best of the day. 77, gym. 78, baby. 79, design. 80, cool. 81, Instapic. 82, motivation. 83, night. 84, party. 85, Insta-cool. 86, Christmas. 87, fit. 88, good morning. 89, workout. 90, blue. 91, flowers. 92, handmade. 93, black and white. 94, Insta-food. 95, yummy. 96, pink. 97, hot. 98, lifestyle. 99, work. 100, black. Take a good look at these hashtag suggestions and work out which ones will suit your niche. Some of them are general, so you can experiment with these. Always measure your hashtag performance, as it is very important for your success on TikTok.